Hello. I don't usually do unboxings, but I literally just got these in the mail, dropped off by UPS while I was already making another video. So I figured, sure, why not? Let's do a quick one. Obviously, I'll do more in-depth later, but these are Custom Morrison Wescos, ordered by way of bakers in a British Tan Domain Roughout. That's my size. So let's take a look. I ordered these in November of 2023. So they actually came, a couple months faster than the 18 months that they said. So it just comes with some baker's info, a nice note from Bryson. Hope you enjoy your boots. Let us know if you need anything. Thanks, y'all. Bakers is great. I've ordered a couple things through them so far. My custom white semi-dress boots that are great on the horsehide. Wow, okay. So, the usual Wesco information. Take a look. Morrison. Wowza. I had it done up on the Vibram 269 Western sole, which I think is nice. Nice kind of low profile sole. This is quite an actual Western kind of looking heel here, which I don't think I made any specifications there, but yeah, it's nice light kind of tan rough out. Got a little Wesco embossment there. You can see the British Tan on the inside, the smooth side there. Got the usual Wesco removable insole in there. Not it's really in there, but yeah, that's removable. Double row stitch down. Nice. Look at that. That is way more pointy than, say, like a engineer, even though Mr. Lou, definitely the boss. That is cool. Western style, baby. It's a big heel counter. Be interested to try these on. Very cool. The other one here real quick. More of the same. Nice pull tabs, pull loops. Very good. Very classic Wesco, you know, like not, they could have trimmed this a little better, but that's a Wesco thing. That's what you get. You get what you get. Don't throw a fit, as they say. Got black stitching. I don't remember if I picked that or not. I must have. It's all right. I don't mind it. I like contrast stitching on my Wescos. Yeah, this heel is tall and got a nice little cowboy slant on it. No spur shelf. This leather is nice. Smells really good. No, boot guys, we love smelling it. The leather, but yeah. So these are cool. Excited to try these on. I'll do a follow-up video, obviously, after I get some wear on these. And just wanted to, they literally just came in the mail, so I figured let's just take a quick peek at these. They look beautiful. I'm happy. They look great. All right, have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Ciao.